What's up, you guys? Eric here with driverlineup.com. The world's okay steering wheel holder. Fueling up the truck. It's like 1 a.m. or something. I don't even know what time it is. It's cold. It's getting cold. And I'm just checking out my trailer. Making sure I'm sealed, making sure I'm good to go. My truck is filthy. Absolutely freaking filthy. Anyway, I've been keeping a good eye on the weather and I'm not thrilled with what I'm seeing. Yeah, you guys, I gotta go stop this fuel pump here. I'm only getting 60 gallons. I'm actually getting more than I need. Actually getting more fuel than I need because I'm going to try to get a certain type of load. We're headed to Detroit. 2 stops. And hang on. Sorry about that, guys. I don't want to do any editing tonight. I don't want to do any editing on the road, so I got to lay it down from time to time. Anyway, got 2 stops in Detroit, and there's a very specific type of load that I'm trying to get out of Detroit. So it'd be good if I have enough fuel to go ahead and get that show on the road if I can score that load. So I really don't want to go to Reed City and take a yogurt load to California. You prime drivers know what I'm talking about. I really don't want that to be the case. Because I'm watching the weather and it is looking nasty. Like there's a whopper of a blizzard brewing, and there's a lot of conflicting opinions in the weather media, but the consensus seems to be there's going to be a lot of snow. Where it hits and how hard it hits, where it hits, kind of up in the air right now, but it looks like Wednesday and Thursday it's not going to be pretty in the Northeast and across the Midwest. So trying to figure that one out, because we've done really well this year at avoiding the weather. We've driven through just marginal, nominal snow this year. So when you're a lease truck, you have some control over that, like you can, for safety reasons, not work with certain kinds of loads and work with other kinds of loads. So we've worked our way around weather. In fact, on this load, one of the reasons that I took it is because it was going north, getting above that front that was going across Missouri today, and we stayed south of it, of everything that was happening the last couple days, and then we got north of it today, threaded went up north before it came across. So we've been very fortunate, but I don't know how we're going to avoid this next one, man. It's going to be a doozy. So you guys look at Wednesday and Thursday. Look at some of the weather reports that are coming in about this one. I mean, they're talking like 2 feet of snow, man. 2 feet of snow all the way from Ohio up into the Northeast, where they're going to have a nor'easter. Oh my goodness, man. High winds, no visibility. So now there's a load that goes out of the Detroit area that goes down to like Tennessee that I've taken a few times. So I'm really hoping to be able to get on that so I can scoot down south before that moves through. Or, which I rarely ever say this, try to score a load to Florida. So go hide in Florida where it's warm for a few days. I'll take Tropicana to get away from this, guys. I'm not a fan of what's coming. So, good times. So we've run 2,000 miles this week, which is crazy for a team truck. We only run 2,000 miles. It's Sunday night. Well, it's actually Monday morning right now. We've run 2,000 miles this week. We've done 5,000 in revenue, so we're like not even anywhere close to what a solo truck could run in a week. 5,000 revenue. So I hope we can squeeze one more load in before Wednesday, put us up maybe around 7,000 in revenue. And that's right where we like to be for our truck, especially running that low of miles. Very profitable. So far things are good. Other than that stupid 100-mile round trip washout, as someone commented and said, sometimes in life you get the elevator and sometimes you get the shaft. But outside of that, it's been a pretty good week. But man, I'm just hoping to avoid this snow. Also, it's going to be like 20 degrees across the whole. It's just freezing cold, high wind, 2 feet of snow. Oh boy, it's going to be a whopper, I think. Anyway, guys, just want to give you a quick update while I'm sitting here fueling a truck. Hope you're having a safe and wonderful evening. Hope a lot of you are gearing up for a good Merry Christmas, and it's good stuff. If you haven't done so, subscribe. There's a lot of backstory, guys. Appreciate it. Leave me a comment. Let me know where you are, what you're doing. Be safe, make good decisions, drive to thrive. Talk to you soon.